comprehensive exhaust video coming soon, but let's go ahead and get a little cold start in the garage. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I want to talk about how getting the Sync 3 upgrade kit for your base model Mustang will make you have drive modes. So if you guys are new to the channel, this is my 2020 Mustang GT, and this one came as a base car, which is called the 300A. If you look inside, you can see I have the big screen now. So let's go ahead and hop inside and let me show you guys the drive modes. And this screen works perfectly, by the way. There's no sort of glitching, anything like that. Alright guys, so as you can see here, my phone is connected, so it did pop up Apple CarPlay. But let's just go to normal sync here. So it's just like a normal sync system like this. And then I want to show you guys the drive modes, because when I originally got this kit, if you guys haven't seen that video, please check it out. But when I just got this kit, the drive modes didn't work, and I said in that video that they had to be programmed. So in this video, they are programmed by Thomas at Hextall. He did a great job, walked me through it and everything. All right guys, I'm currently in the process of doing the remote programming here, and he has taken control of my screen. I'm doing like a screen share thing. So he's just gonna do his thing, and we're gonna hope that the volts don't drop below 11.5. I think that's what he said. Oh, got a message. Let's see what he has to say. Key on, engine off. Yep, he's loading it up, so I'll catch you guys in a bit. And now everything works. So in that first video, you can see the hazards didn't work. Well, I mean, they worked, but it didn't work right. So you can see you go up, hazards are on, boom, down, and they're off. Before, what would happen is I'd lift this up, and then I'll put it down, and the hazards would stay on, because it would, I think the car thought that it was like the previous button where you just press the button and press it again, instead of having the toggle switch, because when it goes up, it stays in one spot. So those work now. That's completely normal. Traction control works normal too, because if I hit it twice, you can see it doesn't have advanced track sport mode anymore, because that is on base cars. So you can see you just have traction control off, and then obviously if you hold it like this, keep holding it, and then your advanced track turns off. That's the dangerous mode, so don't do that unless you know what you're doing. So let's turn that back on, and then steering feel, obviously like I showed in the first video, that works just like it's supposed to. And drive mode, so that's the new thing. So you can see here, boom, we have drive modes now. So we have normal, sport plus, track, drag strip, which I'll definitely have to check out, and snow wet mode. And I know how drag strip mode is supposed to shift, and I haven't tested it out yet. I wanted to save it for the video. So we're gonna go test that drag strip mode out, and we can also test out track mode and everything like that. But in my experience, Sport Plus and track mode perform just like S would on the shifter. Like if you had a base car, S shifts basically the same way as Sport Plus or track would. It just kind of messes around with the steering feel, and then also the traction control. That's the only difference really. And I do have a video going over that if you guys are curious to see like how the drive modes work and how roll racing and all that stuff, how they do that. But anyway, enough talking, let's get going here. Let me roll down the window, because we are in a parking garage. Let's see what the exhaust sounds like. Oh gosh, it sounds good in this parking garage. Okay, we're gonna get going here, and let's make a little bit of noise in this parking garage, why don't we? Oh gosh. All right, let's get going here. Ooh, really loud in the parking garage. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Oh my god. Holy crap, that's loud. Guys, I'm loving this exhaust. This exhaust is like the perfect amount of like loudness. That's kind of why I don't want to do headers, because the exhaust tone and sound and everything is perfect as is. So let's first start off in track mode here as we drive around. Okay, so obviously it goes through each individual gear like it's supposed to, instead of skipping gears. I love this exhaust. And then it did turn off traction control, because that's what track mode is supposed to do. And by the way, guys, you got to get this upgrade kit if you have a base model Mustang. It's Harness by Hextall. I strongly recommend them because they did a great job programming everything. Everything works right, and the screen is fantastic, obviously. There's a nice GLE 63 right here. All right, we're good. All right, so we're gonna take off here in track mode. Let me roll my window real quick. All right, here we go. Oh my God. Oh my God, this car is so fast. Okay, here's a nice little straightaway right here. So let's go to drag strip and see if drag strip works right. Because like I said, I know how it's supposed to be. We'll turn off traction. Just normal traction control. We're not going to turn off advanced track. We're not crazy. All right, here we go. Okay. Woo! This car is so rowdy. Oh my gosh. You can see the 235 all seasons don't do a really good job. Oh my gosh, that's scary. I think I need two hands for this. All right guys, judging by how my traction was on the way over here, I'm assuming this 0 to 60 will be just a bunch of spinning, but we're gonna try it out nonetheless just to see how drag strip mode works. And this is gonna be kind of scary because I know it shifts really hard and it can lose traction between shifts, but we're gonna try it anyway. By the way, don't take the 0 to 60 seriously because it's probably gonna be a horrible time, just a fair warning. So we're gonna brake torque it a little bit. There we go. Oh my God, this car is crazy. Oh my God. See, that's why you don't turn off advanced track. If I turned off advanced track, I'd probably be in those bushes right now. Oh my God. This car is crazy right now. I can't do anything from a dig right now. Holy crap, this car is so crazy. Guys, I love the GT. The GT's fantastic. Okay. It feels so fast. I don't know why it feels so fast all of a sudden. Because obviously the drive mode doesn't change like the power output, but wow. Maybe I just haven't stepped on it in a while. But I'm gonna get out onto the street to where I can be kind of at a higher speed so I don't spin. And we're gonna see how drag strip mode works then. Because this spinning is making me nervous. All right guys, perfect timing, no one's coming. Okay, so let's go back into drag strip here. We gotta be wary of police and everything else. Drag strip and then I'll turn off traction. Okay, so we're already going 40 miles an hour. Okay, let's step on it. Oh my God. Yep, drag strip mode works like it's supposed to. Guys, you guys might think I'm crazy, but the car feels faster for some reason. I have no idea why it feels faster. Like, it pulled hard. No, I'm not saying if you guys get this upgrade kit, your car is going to be faster, but I don't know. For some reason, it feels fast. And it's 106 degrees outside. And I have half tank of gas. So it's not like it's 50 degrees out and I have no gas in the tank. The car is just feeling fast right now. Wow. I can't wait to go to Mexico with these, with my new modes now. All right, guys, so other than the drag strip mode, everything else should be pretty much the same, like sport mode and everything. That's all the same. Oh yeah, but now it's easier to roll race though, because since you can put it back in drive after you take off, you don't have to worry about putting it in drive and putting it back in S, like you would if you had a base model, or just having it shift in drive. So let's go ahead and try that actually. So let's, let me put it back in drive so we're not in manual shifting. Okay, let's just do a little one here. We'll do a 30 roll, how about that? Oh no, that's too low, I don't want to spin. We'll do 40, how about that? And we'll go with drag strip. This is how I do it in my EcoBoost. Drag strip, traction off. Okay, there is construction up here, so it's probably not smart to do it right here. We'll just do a baby one. Ooh, it's kicking. I gotta check my Waze real quick. Make sure there's no police up here. Ooh. Oh, yep. It's spinning. Okay. Not gonna try that. I'm gonna go straight into one of those cones. Guys, this car is dangerous. You gotta know what you're doing. We're gonna go ahead and try to do just a little one. Take off, back and drive. Oh my God. This car is crazy right now, I swear to God. Okay, put it back at normal, RPMs, calm down. Oh my God, the car feels so fast. I don't know why it feels so fast right now. Yeah, this is great. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Sorry I couldn't get a 0 to 60 in. It was spinning way too much, but we will have all that stuff in the future. And I also have some pre-recorded clips of me doing a 1/4 mile test on a street in Mexico and on my stock exhaust. And then it actually does feel a little bit faster with the aftermarket exhaust. So we're gonna do another test and see how it does with the exhaust I have now. So stay tuned for all that fun stuff. At least I think it's fun. But if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe, let me know what you guys think of the drive modes now, and I will see you